Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. When n approaches to positive infinity, this one will go to positive infinity. That means this one equals to positive infinity. Question number 2. When n approaches to positive infinity, 2 to the power of n will go to positive infinity. This one will go to positive infinity. So we have positive infinity over positive infinity. So we can use about L'Hospital. That means we need to do first derivative on numerator and denominator. So this one we have 2 to the power of n ln number 2. This one we have 2n. Now when n approaches to positive infinity, this one still go to positive infinity, similar for this one, and we use L'Hospital again. Now this one we have 2 to the power of n ln number 2 to the power of 2. This one we have number 2. So when n approaches to positive infinity, this one will go to positive infinity. So the answer that is about positive infinity. The next one, when n approaches to positive infinity, this one will go to positive infinity. This one will go to positive infinity. So we have positive infinity over positive infinity. So we can use about L'Hospital. And now we do first derivative on numerator and denominator. So this one we have ln n plus n over n. Because we do first derivative of n, we have number 1 in here. This one that is about 1 over n. Now this one we have 2n. Because this is about a constant, so you got 0. This one we have 2n. Now this one that is about number 1. So when n approaches to positive infinity, this one will go to positive infinity. This one will go to positive infinity. So we have positive infinity over positive infinity. And we have L'Hospital. Now we do first derivative on numerator and denominator. So this one we have 1 over n. This one we have number 2. 7 multiplied by number 2, we have 34. When n approaches to positive infinity, this one will go to positive infinity. 1 divided by positive infinity, you got 0. And this one equal to number 0. The last one, when n approaches to positive infinity, this one will go to positive infinity. This one will go to positive infinity. So we use L'Hospital again. So we do first derivative on numerator. Sorry, this one is about 0.9. 0.9 is smaller than number 1. So in this situation, when n approaches to positive infinity, this one you got 0. This one you got positive infinity. So the final answer of this one, that is equal to number 0. That is the end. Thank you for watching.